Hello guys, for today's video is about the policy of Nicki Live. If you are the user guys on Nicki Live, you should know the three major policies. So the first policy guys is a high quality host. Here in Nicki Live guys, as long as you are active to do your live stream, you will receive a guaranteed hourly base salary of $0.5 to $2 with no requirements to the numbers of viewers in your live room. Dito sa Nicki Live guys ay makaka-earn ka pa rin kahit wala kang tina-target na income. So dito guys ay makaka-earn ka ng 1,000 beans every day sa pagla-live mo ng 1 hour. And this policy guys is available in a long term. Kung gusto niyo naman guys tumaas yung hourly base salary nyo ay dapat ma-reach nyo yung income level. So here in level 1 guys ay na-reach ko po yung target na 150,000 beans. So ang magiging hourly base salary ko ay 3,000 beans ang matatanggap ko sa pagla-live ng 1 hour. At hanggang 2 hours po ito guys. So ang total na matatanggap kong rewards ay 6,000 beans. So the more you increase the level of your income guys, then you will get a higher base hourly salary. You can earn also guys by joining the best live host here in Nicki Live, and you can earn up to $42 per week. At ito naman mga requirements guys kapag sumali kayo sa the best live host. Dapat meron kayong talent like singing or dancing, or mag-entertain kayo guys sa mga viewers. And also guys meron din kayong kagamitan like microphone, sound card, or maganda yung background nyo guys. At mag-ayos din kayo sa sarili nyo habang kayo ay nagla-live. At ito naman rewards guys ang matatanggap nyo kapag na-qualified po kayo sa best live host. So merong E class at S class. So dito sa E1 class guys, for example, kapag naka-earn kayo ng $10 at na-meet nyong requirements sa pagla-live as a best live host, then magkakaroon kayo ng additional salary ng $1 per day. So sa 7 days guys, meron kayong makakuha ng $7 additional earnings. And then guys, makakaroon kayo ng exclusive rewards sa task center at ma-featured po kayo as a hotless with the level of HD Live and talent logo. So the second policy guys here in Nicki Live is about the agent growth bonus. Here in the agency guys, more than 37% profit rate. So the platform pays the base salary for streamers in the guild. And this policy guys, it depends the performance of the host. So katulad nito guys sa level 2 ng agency growth rewards ay kapag meron kang 15 eligible hosts na nagla-live ng 6 days and 18 hours a week at mahit yung total target nila na $2,000 ay makaka-receive po yung agency na rewards na $350. And every agency guys ay meron po silang pay scales, but not all agency na meron ganitong policy guys. So nakadepende pa rin sa agent kung anong roles niya sa kanyang agency. But guys, in order para mapanatili yung agency growth rewards ay dapat bigyan nyo din ng pa-bonus pay ang inyong members na active sa kanilang pagla-live. And the last policy guys is about the invitation bonus. So here invitation bonus guys, you can earn up to $14 per invite in one person. 2 invites guys, the invitees should use your invitation link to download the Nicki Live. Or also guys, you can ask your invitees to submit your invitation code, and the code guys is valid within 72 hours. Kapag success ang invitation nyo guys ay makikita nyo dito ang list ng mga na-invites nyo. So ito naman guys ang makukuha nyong rewards na depende sa times at days sa pagla-live ng inyong invitees. You can get rewards from your invites if they complete the certifications and active for the live stream. Kapag nakaklaim kayo ng rewards guys ay magre-reflect po siya kinabukasan. At ito naman guys ang total rewards na nakuha ko from my invitees. So ito naman yung income ko for the month of September and October. So dito guys sa Nikki Life, kapag nagawa mo yung 3 major policies ay mabilis ka lang dito makaka-earn. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and share my YouTube channel. Bye!